let's get ready. It's not a tutorial, just girly vibes. Starting with skincare. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. Next I'm going in with PIXI. This is the Hydrating Milky Serum. Wait, I'm just gonna put my mirror over here. Also, I'm not sure if this is gonna be a chatty get ready with me. I just feel like I want to be quiet. I don't know, sometimes I just put my makeup on to just feel like therapy, so that's one of those days. This is the Tilbury Eye Rescue. For primer, I'm using TATCHA. This is the Silk Canvas. Usually I just concentrate this in the middle of my face. Now for my face, I will be using the It Cosmetics. This is the CC cream and it also has SPF, so it's really good if you don't want to wear extra stuff. And also mixing it with my bronzy drops. Now I'm going in with my brow freeze. Today I'm using the SAIE bronzer. This is in the shade Spritz. Definitely think I need more. Now for blush, also going in with SAIE. This is the blush in Cutie. And this is like the perfect sunburned kind of shade. Okay, now for my concealer combo, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty corrector. This is in the shade Peach, and after that I will be using the Huda Beauty in Coconut Flakes. Now I'm gonna set everything with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. This is in banana bread. Now, for bronzer, I'm using my all-time favorite. This is the Airbrush bronzer in the shade Tan. For blush, I'm going in with TATCHA. This is in She's Seductive. This has been my favorite. Since my sister got me this blush, I can't stop wearing it. I've been using it all summer long. And it's so nice, like with makeup, and even on days when you just have like bare skin and you just want a little bit of blush, this will be perfect. And also, I just used the powder side. Before I forget, I'm just gonna apply some lip plumper. This is the Too Faced. This is like the most extreme one that they have, so that's why I got it. I will let it sit while I'm doing my eyes. Actually, before moving on to my eyes, I'm just gonna set my face first. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And before mascara, actually, I'm just gonna use my eye pencil for my waterline, but only on the outer corner. And I just like to just smudge it like that to make sure it also goes on the upper waterline. And now for mascara, I'm going to be using Too Faced. This is the brown mascara because I just want to keep it really simple today. And again, the bottom lashes only on the outer side. I'm going to use the DIOR Backstage. This is the Glow Face palette. It's in the shade Rose Gold. I'm going to go with this one right here. Okay, now I'm just gonna take off the lip plumper. First, the Makeup Forever pencil, and this is in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. For my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the YSL. I'm using here is in the shade 44. If I can find the name of the shade, I will also, of course, put it over here where I usually put it. But it's like a pinkish nude. And it's super nice on its own, but I'm gonna top it up with the MAC lip gloss. This is in the shade Oyster Girl. This just makes it a million times better. Honestly, this lip combo is gorgeous. If you like pinky nude lips, this this is your combo. And of course, for the last step, I like some faux freckles. I'm using this one from Kimchi. I'm just gonna wait and then blend it out with my fingers. Okay, so blending it out right now. I think I let it on for too long, but it's okay. I think it looks good. My makeup is done and this is the final look. Just waiting for my hair to dry and I will be all ready. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.